Nelsy, an ESL language instructor. Today I'm going to teach you about polite language. Cuando hablamos con alguien, dependiendo de la persona o el ambiente, podemos usar un lenguaje informal o formal. En esta lección veremos algunas preguntas y respuestas comunes en un tono más educado. Responding to requests. Some typical ways to start a question might be: could you please? Would you please? Would you mind? And some appropriate answers could be, of course, ma'am, or sir, no problem at all. Ejemplo: would you mind bringing some more towels to our bathroom? No problem at all. Give me a moment. Giving suggestions. Some simple but polite ways to give a suggestion might be: how about? What about? You could. Ejemplo: a guest could tell you something like this: can you bring me something hot to drink? And you can reply with, how about some tea? Answering questions. Some typical ways to start a question might be: I was wondering if, would it be possible to, is there a problem if, and you can answer with, of course, I'll be right back. Of course, we can. Sure, no problem. Ejemplo: is there a problem if I request a playpen? Of course, we can call front desk and check. Saying no. Esto también es importante. A veces no puedes atender una solicitud o no puedes ayudar a alguien. Here are polite ways to say no. I'm afraid I'm busy. How about next? I'm sorry I can't. I'd love to, but... Ejemplo: could you give me more towels right now? I'm afraid I'm busy at the moment. How about I come back in 5 minutes? Las preguntas que te haga un huésped y las respuestas que des pueden variar, pero estas son algunas frases comunes que puedes aprender a usar y practicar. For more useful content like this, check out the other resources we have for you. Thank you for running with us. Until next lesson.